Yuneec Mantis G. Will it be unique enough? Got that coming up next. At InterDrone 2019, Yuneec announced its brand new drone called the Mantis G. Let's take a look at a clip from Yuneec on the Mantis G.
There's something there in the wild, it's a reflection of me. I'm surrounded, can't stop for a second to breathe. My thoughts are flowing like water. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive.
Start
Take me
recording.
back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. Feeling alive, take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the
Now here's a breakdown of the features of the Mantis G. Foldable and lightweight 4K camera drone with gimbal stabilization. Up to 33 minutes of flight time with 72 kilometers per hour top speed in sport mode, which is 45 miles per hour. Expanded voice control in English, German, and French. Intelligent auto flight modes such as waypoints, visual tracking, coming home, and smart shots. Includes controller with redundant control signal, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Stable and reliable PX4 based flight controller. For indoor and outdoor use thanks to indoor positioning system. Geofence and drone location display. Includes serial triple charger. Now I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out all the specs of the Mantis G in detail. Consumer drone market today, you have to stand out. Yuneec may have just done that. It may just be unique enough. Question of the day. What are your thoughts about the Mantis G? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.